Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we're talking about the Audi A6 and Q7 models, mainly for squeaking noise from a steering column when the steering is turned, more noticeable on cold start. If this applies to you, then you'll find this very useful. As I said, it applies to pretty much all the models of the Audi A6 and all the models of the Q7. So on the software that I use, it talks about the problem and it describes it as squeaking noise from steering column when steering wheel is turned, more noticeable on cold start. So if this is what you are experiencing, then the cause could be insufficient lubrication of power steering rack input shaft oil seal ring. And to repair this, you will need to replace the power steering fluid, and it describes 3 points that you should do. So first one being to drain the power steering system, then you flush the power steering system out with recommended power steering fluid, and then you refill the power steering system. Now it recommends that you put the 4 liters in there. I guess this is a standard Audi thing. You should always double check with the main dealer yourself just to be sure. I hope this has helped you. If it has helped you in any way, please do give the channel a subscribe. Please do give the video a like and comment any questions you have below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.